Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to my Saturday picnic vlog. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember to leave your notification bell on. If you are a returning subscriber of mine, you know you are loved. Thank you for coming back. It's always so much of a relief when I know that I'm going out there to have fun. And I usually wear this kind of smile because I know that it's going to be enjoyment throughout. You guys, we are going to one of the beautiful parks in Birmingham, the Cannon Hill Park. I've been to several parks in Birmingham already, but this one is so beating them all. Guys, I mean, how can you separate life from stress? There's no how, especially in abroad. The stress is even ×3 because you almost do everything yourself. You get no help. It's just yourself, and if you have spouse, yourself and your spouse. If you are residing in Birmingham or you plan to come into Birmingham, I'm just advising you, just put Cannon Hill Park on top of your list because this park is a must go. The environment is so serene and welcoming. This is the best place to come and massage that mental health of yours.
Let me try some out here.
Are you seeing what I'm saying? Like, this park is serving summer vibes. Like, it's serving chilling vibes, and it's serving every shades of beauty. Yeah, everything is complete here. Kaipo. He's so excited. Yay! This is a very big and beautiful park. Gosh, it's so beautiful, man. Don't fall down, dude. You don't know me. How are you? And what's your name? Kenechuku. Meet Chuchu. Chuchu, meet Kenechuku. Hi. Hey, now you be the birthday man. From side. Get side. Hang a video. First picnic. First picnic na UK. Oh, you tell you what school. Ezoku kwa o. Spoon ahụ dịkwa mkpa.
Biaba. What's what you want? My mom is not back.
Oh my God, no, outside that. Be doing choo-choo. Choo-choo.
We don't. I'm taking my time.
I said I want to look first. I want to look first.
Let's go my roller coaster.
And guys, it's time to move the body.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me when I talk, say I be pastor. If you know, you know. It is God, oh. I got to call the Coco. I'm unavailable. They know they see me.
Time to go. Finally, time to go. She be the talk say anything we get beginning, get end. So this is the end, and we had a mad fun. It was really, really nice, and we concluded that we are going to do this again. Who don't like better thing? So we go do them again before the summer runs out. That was the conclusion, and we actually stayed out too. Like, this is night, but because in the UK we have longer day compared to the shorter night. It's about 7 to 8 p.m. here because we left quite late. But you wouldn't know because there's still daylight. Anyway, guys, so that's all we did go now. We can't reach here. We say make we snap small picture again. A group of the pram pushers. Pram pushers Association of Women. We say make we snap by poolside. And Chuchu was just giving me heck of time. Finally, we are home. And you know what follows? Exhaustion. I was so exhausted. Yeah. And guys, if you know other interesting parks in Birmingham, please let me know. Leave their names in the comment section. Because like this town, our car deal, there was no need to have dinner because we ate a lot. Like, we couldn't finish the whole food. We have to like distribute the remaining ones, and we left with them. So this is really, really great. And I'm sure that most of you have gone on picnics, right? The only thing that we forgot on these picnics is the picnic mat. We did not go with picnic mat. It was God that saved us with her. You know, she brought something that substituted. Anyways. Okay, guys, so it's time to call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched till this very point, thank you. And before you go, remember to drop a comment for me. Tell me what other kind of video you expect to see from me. Subscribe if you've not, and leave your notification bell on because you wouldn't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. All right, guys, bye.